Hello everyone. Today we're going to learn how to solve a star puzzle. First thing you want to do is you want to get these pieces that look something like this. I'll see if I can do that right. Maybe not the best drawing, and then you get another piece and you symmetrically put it to the other one, and we'll look at it a little more detail here. But you're going to want to have them so they're matched up against each other. That's the major part, and there's going to be 3 sets of that. So you're going to want to match up the 3 sets together. Now when you actually put them together, they're going to look not like they do on the ground. They're going to look something like this right here. Well, actually they're going to look exactly like that, and you're going to match up 3 sets just like you see right in front of you. Alright, let's go ahead and have some fun and put it together. We got a bunch of pieces random. We're going to match up these two like that. Set them down. Let's get the second set of pieces right there. Set them down. And the third set of pieces, this is the tricky part, the real caveat per se. If you'll notice, this triangle or pyramid in the middle is a little bit narrower than the pyramid on the right. The pyramid on the left, the triangle is a little more pointed per se. And you're going to want to save that piece on the left. You're going to hold that for your last piece. Alright, let's go ahead and start putting them together. We got pieces facing each other. This piece right here is going to face the other one. So now we've got them all facing each other. Now you can start to see it's taking shape. We just got to slide each piece through. We're going to slide the big piece through first, and then slide that smaller piece through last. And obviously, the reason we were saving that piece for last is because it fits better. It's got a smaller triangle, and when you try to put that in there, which is a little bit of a pain, you're going to notice it fits way better inside. Which is very good for us, because otherwise we couldn't probably get it together. It takes a little bit of practice. Oh, we got it right there. Cool. So there we have it, the star. You can turn it around and take a look at it. One of the cool things about this is it comes apart fairly. It holds decent, but if you pick it up too much, it can fall apart. So you got to be careful how you do that. But yeah, like I said earlier, it's pretty easy to assemble. All you do is find the pieces, point them to each other, match them up, and then, okay, we've got this piece right here. And now we got 2 key pieces at the end, so this should go pretty quickly. We got one of the keys right there, and now we just need the final piece to go through up top. And this is going to be a little tricky, like I said. You got to kind of finagle it around, work your way in. Maybe push a little hard. Try not to have it fall apart. Sometimes it does. Looks like we're not quite there. Alright, going to try again here. Give it a little push. A little bit of push. A little more of a push. Kind of angle it, you can see. And then we're going to turn it once we get it over that little hump right there. Kind of push a little more, just a little more. Almost got it. Almost got it. Okay, got it. Cool. So there we have it. That's how you assemble the wooden star piece puzzle. And of course, thanks for watching. Hopefully this helps you get it all set up. Have a good one.